Hi all. You must have heard this saying, a secret to man's heart is through his stomach. Well, I didn't know the meaning of this, so I just googled a little bit, and like everybody thought that a secret to man's heart is through his stomach. Is they're talking about the food. They're talking about somebody who can cook for him, so that they are loved by that person. But the contrary to that, I found out one more reason. I don't know how much it is true. That it said that it is, during the Roman times, the Romans used to go to the war field, and they just used to wear a leather jacket as their armory, and it was difficult for a person, the enemy, to pierce through his heart through that jacket and through the ribs. So it was said that the sword is first thrusted into the stomach and showed upon to the heart to kill the enemy. So the actual thing is, with the sword, the secret to man's heart is through his stomach. But whatever is the thing, let us take the commonly known thing, the commonly known saying that the secret to man's heart is through his stomach with the food. Although the feminists may not agree that, what they would say that the man is not the only person, who can love the food or who wants to have the food from somebody else's hand. Even women want to do that. So whatever is the thing, I also read a survey back in 2013 where it said that 85% of the people, whether it is man or a woman, they said they would love to cook food for their beloved to make them happy, and only the 15% said that it is rubbish. And the survey also states that the person wants to indulge in activities like cooking to vent their pent up energy, to feel good, to get rid of their bad mood, and etc. And it is also said that the people indulge in eating or extra eating or eating something junk food in order to get into good mood, to alleviate their depression. So this shows that the food is very important for a man's life, and I'm sure that all of you agree that the first thing in the morning that you wake up, and then you would start asking about the breakfast, and after the breakfast, after you're hungry, maybe in the lunchtime, you would start wondering about what is there for lunch and all. And during the lockdown time, I'm sure that for many of you, the food has been, especially for the housewives or for the people who cook at home, this has been a very big question as to what to cook. And talking about the millennials, there has been a survey because the world has more of millennials these days. The percentage of millennials is really in good numbers, and the survey was done that whether the millennials are capable of cooking, and the survey stated that although 70% of the people would like to cook for the beloved or their partners, they don't know how to cook. Most of them do not know how to cook. There is no exact percentage of the people as to they don't know how to cook, but I'm sure that there's a considerable amount of people, they really do not know how to cook, or probably they know how to cook but not as good. That is because they are not being given a proper training in the cooking, they are not gone through, or because of various reasons. And I'm sure that the people have majorly, in my opinion, they have three obstacles in order to learn cooking. So I'm going to bust those myths. The first myth is cooking is boring. It is for the people who have never ventured into cooking, and they think that I can get the cook anywhere, so why should I go to the kitchen and cook. I would like to tell them that cooking, if you really show a little bit of interest and start learning, it is great fun. And you can be creative, you can try out many things, and then when you get appreciation from the people, then it becomes all the more interesting. So it is not boring at all. The second myth is cooking is complicated. Well, you must have seen those cooking videos on the TV, where it's an intricate way of showing the cooking. The way they present it, the way they show the nuances and all. So it looks very complicated. So it is only for those 5-star hotel chefs. They would like to show their skill by doing that. But when it comes to having a normal homemade food, you don't have to be that flashy. You just cook the simple food that is good for your health. That's all. So it is not at all complicated. And the third thing is many of the millennials think that, especially the working people, they think that it takes lot of time, it consumes lot of time. It is not so. If you are properly guided, if you plan it properly, and if you know what to do much before cooking, I would tell you the cooking may take just about 20 minutes for the entire day's cooking, or 20 to 30 minutes max. So you really don't need to spend that much as you think. And many such myths are there about the cooking, and we are on a process to build something really great for the beginners, and where the step by step incremental cooking will be taught to the people. If you like this video, please share and send me a private message to join our new group, where we can give you a VIP pass to that group. Thank you.